Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric. Today we are going for a POV test drive in this 2025 Land Rover Defender. And as you can see, this has the wonderful matte wrap today. A night POV test drive starting here in the city, well, town. And then we're going to drive a little bit outside so we can see the performance of the headlights and all that good stuff. Right now, you obviously see the headlights and taillights beautifully illuminated. Really much love how this Defender looks. And we have a nice little puddle graphic that, if you can see, we just lost it. 1 second. We'll just turn it, close it and unlock it. Should get our graphic back. Might be a little hard to see, but it's a Defender that says Defender underneath. Pretty cool. With that being said, POV test drives are for you to listen and hear how it is to drive and kind of build your own opinion. If you want to hear all of my thoughts about this 25 Defender, top right hand corner you'll find our full review. With that being said, let's jump in and go for a drive. I have set up the ambient lighting to be a nice and purple. And then we're going to be turning on our heated seat, as well as our heated steering wheel. Turn off the start stop, and off we go. Late at night, nobody cares if I do this. While waiting for the light to turn green, first of all I can push on the brake pedal for this to auto hold. I can run you through some of the systems we have in here. This is POV Pro, pardon me. Got an air quality sensor, for example, which is an optional extra this Defender is equipped with. Got some nice integrations of Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all wirelessly as well. Oh, there we already go. That was quicker than I thought. And our digital gauge cluster also is quite customizable. We have multiple different display layouts here. For example, I use the 2-dial system. You can get the 1-dial as well. Then you have 2 customizable options. Left side right now is trip summary, right side is my Android Auto Google Maps. And then we can also go to a full map layout, which is really nice. And same, we can go to a full media layout or driver assistance, depending on what you kind of want. I like to drive like this with the 2-dial system. I have my trip odometer that I need to log my miles down in the bottom right. And then if I have my audio playing, because everything can be easily controlled obviously on the steering wheel, I can just do this at night, screen off, and there you go. You just have a few less distractions. Anyhow, I'm going to shut up again and let you enjoy the drive. Okay, but I think with that we can conclude today's POV test drive here in the Land Rover Defender. Like I said, if you want to hear all our thoughts on this luxury SUV, full review should be just on your screen right now. And if you liked it, hey, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you think? With that being said, thanks so much for watching, and we hope we'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.